Chrysler ਤੇ ਇਸ਼ੂ ਇਹਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਤੇ ਬਾਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਟੈਪ ਨਹੀਂ ਓਪਨ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਟਰਾਈ ਪੂਰੀ ਤੋਂ ਪੂਰੀ ਦੈਟਸ ਇਟ ਸੋ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਆ ਸੀਗੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਰਿੰਗ ਟਰਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀ ਸੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਸੀਜ਼ਰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਹਿੱਟ ਕਰਕੇ ਦੈਟਸ ਇਟ time the job is done man so you can take it out if you like.
Oh, yeah, let's try it now. Let's get the new pump.
You have a new pump?
Yeah, it's right here.
Okay. You know this tool I bought two days ago.
2 days ago?
Yeah.
Good thing you bought it.
Yeah, you were so lucky. Believe me. Now we're going to new pump insert. You are lucky, man. I think so. In some way.
Oh.
It's a diesel.
Regular gas.
Okay, I have to remove all the pipes.
Yeah. Oh,
I need
zip tie. I need a knife.
It would be in my trunk.
Okay. How you turn?
I take it over. Oh yeah, you have to take it. And the cable has to be removed. Oh.
Fix it up.
Okay, so you
So
can
I think
take
it's only.
this cable.
Yeah. Yeah.
Too much gathering.
And then. Gotta take this plastic off.
Oh, was I do it before it? And now we have to put it inside. Okay.
Can you see?
Do you have tea? Any tea?
Like what
Like
do you
this one?
mean? The zip ties.
Yeah.
I might have zip ties. I might have some.
I have it maybe.
You might have some.
Let me check it out.
Okay. How do you stop?
Yeah, I have to chop all the wires. No, otherwise. No, don't worry. I do it
okay.
after. I do it.
Oh, you edit. Okay.
Yeah. How this problem exposed? How it happened?
I had check engine light, and I have to replace the spark plugs and the fuel injectors.
Oh.
And then when I replaced them,
You do that yourself?
no, I took it to someone to do it. Then when I replaced them, the car was still, it didn't want to start.
Oh, okay.
It kept, and then it'll start. So they said I need a new fuel pump, replace the fuel pump.
I think so. I have done everything. So I can close it. Like this way. This was.
Yeah.
What's the ring?
Right there. By your knee.
I have it. Okay. I have to go this way, I think so. No?
Let's see.
Do you have any pictures? You have sent me a picture.
Yeah. No, you're right. So it has to turn this way.
Yeah, this way.
Yeah.
It's enough.
Yeah, that's good.
So now you can try it.
No. Yeah, that one.
So where this plug have to go? So now you can try it. Yeah, pump is working.
You heard it?
Yep.
Okay. That's good. Wanna try?
Yep. Yep. Working?
Se susseguono le reazioni con Hamas che avverte a questo punto negoziati a rischio.
I'm gonna have to reset the engine. Check engine light. Let me see.
Yep.
Yeah.
Sicurezza ONU si unisce sulla situazione alle 22.
Let's try one more time. Yeah?
I bambini morti nelle operazioni israeliane a Gaza per l'uso.
So guys, in the comments, that's it. For my next video.